Not everybody.
What's up? So we're gonna be playing Night Shift at Paulie's. Me and Mr. Piggy have played this game before, so we might be kind of good. Should we play the OG?
Hmm?
Should we play OG remake, or I just click this one?
This one.
Okay. We have to. Yeah, I'll just make a party. I'll make a party. I'll make a party. Alright, join it.
Oh yeah.
Right. So, guys, we might be kind of good at it. Kind of good.
Yeah, you know.
I mean, we've played this before. It might be kind of scary, but this game the animatronics get glitched out super easy. So I hope they don't get glitched out. You bored though? Why you bored? Why you bored? Why you bored? We should check out the animatronics.
No.
No. You should. Mr. Piggy, follow me. Follow me, Mr. Piggy.
I know. That's a cat.
Mr. Piggy, follow me.
Anything that's not my number.
Where are
Oh,
are you with Michael Jackson?
Yeah.
Religion is not my love. Mr. Piggy, follow me.
What?
Follow me, Mr. Piggy.
Dude, the animatronics won't kill you right now. Wait, what?
Okay, go in the chair.
No.
Go in the chair, buddy.
I don't know when.
Go in the chair.
Bye.
We need everyone to see what it does.
No.
We need to get the first key.
What's the
No,
E?
it's right here. Got it. It's the backstage key.
What?
Open the door.
You're not on it one like me.
Where's it go? Where do you put that in?
No, not. I hear though. I get to eat, but I get to eat. Employees only.
We should go to. We're gonna try speedrunning this. I mean, we're gonna try to speedrun it. I mean, we might not do that yet. Alright, we got the tape. We have to go. None of the animatronics have left yet. That's W.
Haha, you thought.
I'm closing the vents.
Yeah.
Mr. Piggy, come in the office right now.
Dude, it's monkey pen.
Right now. Mr. Piggy, come in the office right now.
Dude, hey, you're not closing on me, Mister. I'm sitting in the chair. Good boy.
Alright, let's see what the. I'm gonna be ready to put it in chat. Okay, just show us the code already. I've seen this cutscene so much times. Oh my What's the code? Let's go. 35 13. But we just remember 35 13. Roblox won't let us say it for some reason. So 35.
Wait, 35, 13?
35 13. Remember that. Go put in the code.
35, 13, right? 35. Move!
35 13. Open it. Hurry up before they come. Okay, you two can
Oh my, yeah!
You need to get the tape for them. You need to get the tape. I got it. Okay, you need to put it in.
Are you terrified?
Alright, let's go. 2026.
2026!
2026.
We have to remember that.
We don't remember that. And then let's just put it in chat. Remember. Bro, I just died. Oh my god. You have to juke the 55 bed. Juke the 55 bed, right?
Wait, what's the animation that is out?
It's Perry the Platypus.
You.
Help me.
Dude.
Mr. Piggy, help me.
Yeah, I'm good. Get in here, dude.
Cause it is. You juke him. I do this stuff. You juke him. Do the circles like we usually do, and then.
Stop playing faster. That's not playing faster. You know that, right? Alright.
Let him out.
Wait, Mom.
Come on. Do it. We usually do the circle. Just go in circles.
No. You know, remember that hole? 2026? 2026. Oh, I am. Wait, what? Oh.
It's party service. He can't come over here.
No, he can't.
Yeah, buddy. He can't come over here. Buddy. Okay, where's it again?
Yeah. Did Michael Jackson move? And just me.
I think Michael Jackson moved. How does he escape though? Where's the party service key? Where do we put that? I know where we put it.
Follow me, Mo.
I know where we put it. Stupid clowns out. Holy luck.
Come on, yeah. Where's that, Mo? Oh my.
Come on. Get in. Mr. Piggy, get in. I know.
Wait, he might go in the vent.
Okay, hurry up. There's another way right now. Is the elevator gonna move?
Yeah, it's that easy. Wait, no.
He's stuck.
So you make Matt's going down.
Oh, you're also going down.
Oh, so cute, not so cute. Ha ha ha. Yeah, about Wait, what? Oh, what?
Oh, he's stuck.
Wait. Oh! No. What has he got?
He's stuck.
Wait, what? I forgot how to eat.
Yeah, I forgot what. Wait, you found last time you found the key card, right? Don't you remember you found the key card last time?
Oh yeah.
Where'd you find it? Where was it?
Oh shoot!
How'd you get him stuck in the elevator?
Well, I hate your mouth, dude.
How'd you get him stuck in the elevator?
I don't know. What?
Okay, how do you do this? Where'd you find it? Where'd you find the key card?
It was in the freaking upstairs.
Upstairs? How do you go upstairs?
But I'll show you, dude. But like, make sure you're right. Wait. I hate your mouth. Come on, back here. I hate your palming. I hate you.
Open the door right now.
Oh!
You keep following following Mr. Piggy. Following Mr. Piggy. Yep, keep following Mr. Piggy. Yeah, yep, keep following Mr. Piggy. Go. Who's upstairs? Come on, get it off. Turn it off.
Right here.
Turn it
No,
off. Get it off. Mr. Piggy. Mr. Piggy, get in the office right now. You need me up in the office and do a plan. You need me up in the office and do a plan. I won't.
man, oh my god.
You have to juke him. You have to juke him. Holy jukes.
Dude, oh my god, oh my god.
Why'd you go that way? Wait. Go back. Go to the office. Go to the office.
I will not come. Not horseshit, bro. Hey, you're not holding anything there. Wait, he might be up there, so you might find it. Oh my god, oh my god! My eye. Bite me at this. Oh, that's your YouTube channel name. They're not calling you your YouTube channel name?
No, you said Bebe.
Bebe?
Sit up. You want me to tell you? You want me to call you Baby Mr. Piggy?
Wait.
You have to get it. I'm just gonna wait till you get it.
Wait, the key card was here.
What do you mean? The key card was somewhere. Were you supposed to go to where the lasers are?
Huh?
It's where the lasers are?
Yeah.
Why is he just staring at me like that? He was staying. He was staying.
Oh, I gotta eat one.
Let me in. Open the door. Open the door. Open the door right now. I'm not safe. I'm not lying.
But I'm up here, dude.
Open the door. Right now. Wait. He's out. Don't make a drop somebody. Holy Yankees. Is he backing out?
Thanks, Ashley.
Wait before he comes. Oh my, I'm here. I made it. Oh my. Where do you go? You do it. You're the one that has it, so how am I supposed to do it? Yeah, I'll distract you. Yeah, go right now. Yeah, do it. So don't you remember last time?
I forgot. You know what I'm saying?
When you open the door? Did he get up?
Where are you?
Where we were supposed to go.
Where is it?
Just meet up at the lab. Over here. This is where you're supposed to go. And then there's a door here.
He never got
You
to
need a
it.
key. Do you have a key?
No. I'm gonna find it now.
Let me find it.
It's right here.
Here. Open the door.
Wait,
You can go. You should have shut the door. I feel like something's going to start chasing us now.
Come on.
What's this place? We need a key.
I found it.
Alright, open the door.
Hide out here. It's in. I was like, you can help me over.
Fighthead.
We wouldn't have to. Oh yeah. Managed office. So
What's it say?
managed office.
I remember that.
Manager's office. So it's like the plane, you know.
I have to get ready.
It's actually gonna aim for it's not bad, you know. I mean, the animatronics not kind of.
So we sit down. Okay, we have to.
It's not his out. What has not? 1 minute. I mean, 1 minute. No, wait.
Go down.
No. Hey, I need now. Manager. And it.
There's got the key to the emergency exit in there. Get to it and get out of here. Leave me. It broke my legs.
Oh, are you okay?
Oh, are you okay?
Hey, you distract him.
How am I supposed to do that?
Oh my god!
You distract him.
Oh my god! Yeah! Me?
Get in here.
You're out. Oh my god! My old Jackson's out. My old. Yeah! Oh yeah! Oh my.
Hurry up and get in here and open the door. I cannot keep getting chased.
I'm gonna do. Wait, that's not. Oh.
Get the key. It's supposed to be here somewhere.
Hey, make sure you let him.
It's over. It's where I am. It's where I am. You see?
We have to go now. Oh no. Oh, no.
Me. Do you have the exit key?
Yes. Oh my god! Oh my.
Oh my god. Wait for me. Do not go on the exit. Do not go on the exit. Do not go on the
I know.
We just need to open the exit.
Yeah, hold on.
You have to hurry up and
But
open
the
it
monkey's
first
not
try.
on yet.
Mr. P, open it first try. We beat it.
Yeah. Finally. Aye. Oh.
Are they getting burned?
Ew.
The end.
Hard.
To end.
That's
Alright,
the
that's the
end.
end of the video, guys.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Ah.